Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to split the screen on MSI Thin A15. To split the screen, you need to open at least 2 apps to put them in split screen. You can open up to 4 actually. So at first I'm gonna open only 2 to make it simpler. And to put the apps in split screen, you can start moving the app around while holding on the top bar of the app. Then you can slide it all the way to the left or all the way to the right to put it on that side. Then it'll ask you where to put the second app. You can also just hover over the maximize button and it'll also give you an option to put the app in split screen. By the way, you can also resize it just like that, whatever you need. And there is also another way to put it on split screen by sliding it up to this bar, then selecting where to put it. And now I'm gonna show you it on the example of 4 apps. So I'm gonna open 2 more. I'm just opening the same app, but of course you can have different apps as long as that apps allow you to resize the window, because not all of them allow you to do that. Then I prefer hovering over the maximize button. I'm gonna put that up in the top left corner. Then I'm gonna select another one, another one, and another one. And I have these 4 apps in the 4 apps split screen. I can also still resize them as well, depending on my needs. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.